First now I'm just making a folder. After that, you just wanna create an virtual environment. For that purpose, you need Python in your device. In my device, I just got Python, same as it, just install the Python kind of thing, and I'm gonna make a folder into your working project directory. I'm gonna make basic API. So into it, we just wanna create a virtual environment. So you just enter the folder. Once you got entered, you just make source, sorry, Python 3 hyphen m v env and your virtual environment name kind of be like basic fast API practices. So the virtual environment will get created inside this. So what we do is we just close this folder and then I'm gonna open this virtual environment folder into the IDE. So I'm using cursor. You could use some other IDE. So I'm just importing the folder, the folder theme. So now I want before working on this folder, I want to activate this. For activating source and the path bin and activate. So now the virtual environment has been activated, and same as in Windows, you should follow this command. If it is PowerShell, use PS1. If it is command prompt, use BAT. If it is Linux, you could use this command. So once you're done, you just make a folder inside this called as source. So after creating the source, you just install the required packages for making the API kind of fast API folder name, library name installed. I have already installed them, so it is coming like this. So another package, UVCon, so it is also installed. So I need the requirements file. So what I'm going to do is pip freeze requirements dot text. So it will create the requirements folder dynamically so that you could share with your friends or kind of organization. So once it is done, I'm making a Python file on source main.py. Sorry, not folder, it's a file main.py. I'm deleting the folder. I'm just making a file called as main.py. Inside it, I'm declaring a variable called app and fast API. I want to import these things before using them. So I'm writing an API, get API with read route. We don't need this currently. We just use this. So read route message hello world. So it's in get API. So using this, let's run the server. For running this server, UVCon. So before that, you just head into source, cd source, UVCon main, and you have declared a variable name here, right? App. So you just declare that app reload. So your API is hosted now. See it is printing hello world. If we change to hello world 2, then it will get changed here also. So it's in get API. So let's access them through Postman. If we hit this, we get hello world. So let's make a post API. It is a post API. So I'm getting a data in data dict. So I can print the data in the console. So what you're gonna do is it's a post method and read route data. So you're gonna print them as a response. Data has been received. So I'm passing it as post. So we get the data in the console called as data wish. Same as you can make many routes in this kind of get products. Let's make it as products. Read products and this one is create product. So let's make the product dynamically sync. So I'm changing it as get and adding a row products. So we get the products. We could store the products here also. So think that this is a database and you are making a route for accessing the products. Also you can get the ID also. So in our next video we'll see about query. So I'm just giving a revision in this video. So in this video we have seen how to initialize the virtual environment. I'll just make it in a readme. So we have initialized virtual environment in Python and we installed Fastapi and Unicon. We have froze the requirements.txt. We wrote two endpoints on main.py. So on the next video we will see about writing query in Fast API. In APIs, how do we write query and update products?